Genesis just sent us a press kit about the Genesis X concept. Not really sure when it's going to go into the production, but it sure tells us where Genesis is headed with their all-new future all-electric vehicles. Genesis actually unveiled the X concept last Friday in LA, but maybe because of the COVID-19, we're not invited. So Genesis, once the COVID-19 goes away, please do invite us as well. Yes, we're here. And thank you. And Genesis didn't give us any information about the dimensions, output, or even range, but once it goes into the production, I'm sure it will be built up on all-new eGMP platform, which is also shared with the Ioniq 5 and also Kia EV6. And if this X concept uses the high-output dual-motor system from Kia EV6 GT that can reach up to 62 miles per hour within just 3.5 seconds, then we can really have a super coupe from the Genesis brand. So Genesis, let's do it. And Genesis says the name X comes from the next Genesis or the hero from the Genesis brand. So I guess we might have an X-Men fan working for the Genesis brand. Okay, journalists from LA showed you the exterior design, so why don't we start from the inside? And as you can see, the interior is very driver focused. Everything wraps around the driver. Looks quite premium and also sporty. And X concept has dual interior colors, Scotch brown for the driver side and ocean wave green blue for the passenger side. So you can separate and also differentiate the interior space from the other Genesis models. The gauge cluster and floating center console looks very large, so if you break one, ouch, that's going to be very costly. We also have two-line design elements covering the whole interior, and that's what Genesis design is all about, two lines. And Genesis says the climate and media controls will be mostly touch sensitive, and Genesis X concept will also feature very unique shift-by-wire system, so-called Crystal Spear. So I hope to show you how that works in person. And surprisingly, this X concept will also feature 4-point seat belts and also bucket seats for your weekend track days. And if you're enjoying this, please like this video and subscribe so we can grow this channel together and have more fun. Let me also quickly show you the exterior design. Just like any other recent Genesis models, X concept has two lines all around the car. I personally like two lines from the Genesis brands, so guys, do let me know how do you like it in the comment section. Up front, we have Genesis logo on the top, crest grille in the middle, made of G-Matrix pattern, and also quad headlamp system. And the quad headlamp system actually passes right through the wheel arches, and I think that's a very interesting design. And from the side, you can definitely see that Genesis have incorporated distal side mirrors and also very solid looking two-layered wheels, even with center locks. And green calipers to emphasize this is a high output car, but still a clean one. I really like the character line that starts from the hood, is carried all the way to the tail lamp, and also expanded wheel arches look quite high performance. We also have two-line tail lamps from the rear and also crest grille pattern on the lower bumper instead of exhaust pipes. Alright guys, this has been a quick look on the Genesis X concept. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll be back with much more. So if you love cars and car reviews, please do support us by subscribing to our channel and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss out in the future. Thank you guys, see you soon, stay healthy, and bye bye.